Welcome back to English Express, where today we've got quick and useful English phrases for Black Friday, so you can understand real-life conversations and shop with confidence using real phrases. The first one is, what's the damage? Meaning, how much will this cost me? For example, I'd like to take these 2 books. What's the damage? Next is an impulse buy. This is buying something suddenly without planning. It's a great natural phrase to use. Everything's flying off the shelves means that products are selling very, very quickly. Next one, it was a steal. This means that something's really cheap for the value. For example, this top was a steal. Next, we have bargain, meaning something is cheap but good quality, costing less than usual. This only cost $20, such a bargain. And now phrases you'll see a lot online or in ads. First one you'll often hear is while stocks last. This means a sale or product is only available until the item runs out. Once everything's sold, then the offer ends. You'll see the phrase free shipping all the time when you shop online. It means the store won't charge you for delivery. You just pay for the item and they ship to you at no extra cost. Shop now, pay later is where you don't have to pay the full amount right away. And money back guarantee means you're allowed to return what you've bought and you'll receive all your money back. And that's your quick guide to Black Friday English. Now you've got the real English phrases you'll see everywhere. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and join our community. Keep practicing a little every day, and I'll see you next time.